But he was right here with the gun flashing at me. As soon as I opened this door, he walk up on
the driver's side or passenger?
Driver's side. So he waving it around like this. I said, this is Wendy's. Like, you want to over a biggie bag? Like.
On August 9th, 2024, officers in Ohio responded to a Wendy's after employees reported that a customer had threatened them with a handgun. Police detained the driver and recovered a firearm from the vehicle. The key legal issue is not simply that a gun was found. It is whether the facts gave officers lawful grounds to detain each person, search the vehicle, and connect any occupant to knowing possession of that firearm.
Put your hands straight up. Put your hands straight up. Let me check it. Go ahead, bro.
This is the car. She got it.
So you come back to my car right now. Have a seat. Come on now.
Alright, thank you. You trying to pull off? She got the gun.
25. The female's trying to leave. Her. Don't. Put the car in park. Put the car in park. Put it in park. Put it in park. Step out. Step out. Step out. Just step out. We'll explain.
Okay, but what did I do?
We'll explain. Where's the gun?
I don't have. What are you talking about?
Is there a gun in the car?
Stop touching. What? Explain to me what I
Put your
did.
hands behind your back. You're going to be detained while we do this since you want to play these games, okay?
Detained for what? Hey, Kelly, what? None of that. I'm sitting in the driver's seat. You put the gun up to your face like this. Who I? Don't talk to me, girl. You mad because you can't take a order.
Is there a gun in the car?
No, I don't know nothing about that. You pulling up on me, telling me to stop for what?
So
you know nothing about
So why'd
me.
you pull away when I put your dude in the back of my car?
What the even talking?
You looked right
Stop
at me.
touching me.
No,
like that.
you're detained. Just
Detained
calm down.
For what?
Anything
I'm
on you you're not
calm.
supposed to have?
You just came up on my.
Stop right now. You are not in control of this situation. We are.
Am I moving?
So stop.
Did she see him pull the gun?
She never saw me.
No,
He
I
came-
didn't.
he
I'm
came
not saying
up-
he didn't, but he was, yeah.
He said he was like this. He had it low, like below the door. He was like, "If you come to this car, I'm gonna shoot you. If you come to this car, I'm gonna shoot you." Mind you, he parked right here. As soon as I opened the door, he's telling me this.
Do you work for Wendy's?
Yes.
So tell him the same story. He's got a
They
buddy
came
on
to the
camera. I don't.
drive-through. We just got robbed. We don't have any registers. We literally just got robbed. So we're telling him we card only. So he places his order. He like y'all rushing her, y'all rushing us, y'all rushing us. Mind you, we're busy. So yes, we're like anything else can we help you? I was taking the order. It was my friend. So he get up to the window, talk about you smart mouth bitches, this, that, and the third. We like. So of course we like, who the fuck is you talking to? Like, we don't give a fuck. Like, you can go somewhere else. That's exactly what we told him. Our GM came to the window and he even said, he just told him his total, trying to cash him out, get him out the way. So he pulls up, then he come inside, talk about, I'll beat y'all last, call some niggas, where the niggas at, da-da-da-da-da. We all looking like, this is Wendy's, you're mad, calling us poor, broke, all that. He comes to the door, he like, da-da-da, I know you, Mariah, I know you. First of all, Mariah is my sister. She looked like me, but that's not me. I don't know what beef y'all got. That ain't got shit to do with me. So I came to the door and I'm just like, I'm not Mariah. I don't know what y'all got going. He talk about you come up to this car, I'm gonna shoot you. Waving a gun in my face. So I go in and close the door and I call my sister. I'm like, do you know this man? He's literally waving a gun in my
Was he in
face.
the parking lot?
He was right here, parked right next to the door.
Can you guys get it on the camera?
Yeah, my sister screen recorded him.
Can you guys go pull it up on the camera for us?
You're gonna have, we'll have to ask our GM. But my sister screen recorded him. I had him on camera.
Are you still working?
Yes, I'm on the clock.
So go in. We'll come back in and get your information and talk to you in a second. Can you tell the manager to pull the camera for us?
Yeah, the girl in the passenger seat, she gonna hold the gun up to her face, talk about what you gonna do, like, just get him.
Okay. You have a concealed carry permit?
A concealed carry, no.
So whose car is that? Because whoever owns that car does. And you told us that was your car.
Well, it's the Tiffany girl, but it's another.
Okay, so
I can call them.
Well, hold on, listen to me. So here's the deal, right? So if we were to push this issue with the way you were driving off, we could hit you with a felony.
I didn't drive
Listen to me,
off.
listen to me, okay, real quick? Because you're in control of that vehicle, okay, in the driver's seat. You're responsible for everything in that vehicle, to include the gun.
The pivotal legal moment comes when an officer tells the driver that control of the car makes her responsible for everything inside it, including the gun. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.16 uses a knowing mental state for firearm conduct in a vehicle. That makes vehicle control relevant evidence, but not automatic criminal possession. The missing question is what facts actually show that she knew the gun was there. The initial detention has a stronger legal basis. Under Terry versus Ohio, officers may briefly detain a person when specific and articulable facts create reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, employees reported a firearm threat and pointed officers toward the vehicle at the scene. Those facts support an investigative stop. They do not, by themselves, establish probable cause against every occupant or prove who displayed the gun.
Okay, so we're gonna pull the camera, okay, where you guys were parked. So at any point, this is your chance to be completely honest. Did anybody read you your rights?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna read you your rights real quick. Listen to me, okay? You have the right to remain silent. You understand that? I need a verbal yes or no.
Mm-hmm.
I need, okay. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
I need to hear it.
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You understand that?
Yes.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You understand that?
Yep.
You can decide at any time to exercise your rights and not answer any questions, make any statements. You understand that?
What am I being arrested for?
Right now, you're not. You're just being detained. Okay? I'm just advising you of your rights so you know them, okay? So it's Friday, August 9th at 12:43. Okay. But here's the thing, okay? So if when we pull the camera, you're not going to be seen sitting in the car with the gun.
That has nothing to do with me.
I'm asking, okay?
I'm telling you, that has nothing to do with me. I never got out the vehicle.
It's a yes or no, ma'am. We're not going to see you sitting in the car holding the gun.
No.
Okay. So who did you borrow this car from?
It's a rental.
It's a rental.
Yes, I just said that.
Who did you rent it from?
It's like DL. I don't know.
DL Auto Sales?
Yeah.
Is it rented to
Yes,
you?
it's registered to me.
So it's rented out to you. Okay.
That's why I said it's mine.
Okay. So you have no idea about that gun in that car?
No prior arrest, no nothing.
What's that?
No prior arrest, no.
Okay, so who is he to you? Is he your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay, so how did the gun end up under the passenger seat?
I didn't know it was there.
Okay, how long?
You see the car's messing his head.
Well, how long have you two been riding around in your car?
I've had the car for a minute, but not that long.
Is he in it often with you?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you see happen today?
Bro, they came up tripping. She's on the mic. She's already doing too much. I'm trying to order the food, and she just saying extra stuff for no reason. Then she cuts off the order. She pull up to the window. Yeah, we had a complaint. Never had to be nothing more than a complaint. She closing the window, saying this and that. All I'm hearing is bitch, all in the background, doing too much. So we pull up. I never got out the car. He dealt with it, as a man should.
Okay.
So they had nothing to do with me, period.
I understand.
Nothing to do with
Well, the
me.
reason you're involved is because you're with him. You see what I'm saying?
Okay, but that has nothing to do with Shanice Antoinette Floyd. You see what I'm saying? I literally drove the car. That's the only thing I'm guilty of.
We're just trying to explain to you what's going on here.
I understand that.
And
I'm
the
trying to
thing
tell
is,
you,
and the
you
thing
listen
is,
to
okay.
him.
So we're kind
putting me out
of
the
in
car.
the spot where if he says the gun isn't his, you're in command and control of the car. You're responsible for everything in the car. You could get a felony
So what?
for improper handling in a motor vehicle.
Improper handling.
Yeah, because you had a loaded gun within reach.
But then how is it in reach if it's not? That's how it's supposed to be carried. Anyway, right? And then you don't need a CCW for all of that.
No, you're correct. You don't. But now we're talking about a crime was committed. Okay, so we're talking about
crime?
an aggravated menacing was committed with a
Menacing?
gun, and we find a gun.
At a Wendy's?
Yeah.
Wendy.
Ohio carry law adds another limit to the officer's vehicle firearm explanation. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.111 generally allows a qualifying adult to carry a concealed handgun without a license and treats that person like a licensee for many statutory purposes. So, a loaded handgun being accessible in a car is not automatically unlawful. Eligibility, knowledge, and any separate prohibitions still have to be established. Miranda versus Arizona addresses a different issue: custodial interrogation. The transcript shows an officer advising the driver of the right to remain silent and the right to counsel before continuing substantive questions about the firearm. That is a significant procedural safeguard. The transcript, however, cannot establish every detail of the warning, the driver's understanding, or any waiver as clearly as the original Bodycam audio can.
How did I menace?
I didn't. Did I say you?
Get out the.
Did I say you?
You're talking to me.
You're right. I'm just explaining to you what's going on,
Okay.
right? And I'm explaining to you what potentially could have happened.
There was no potential. We were supposed to be getting on.
Okay. So why did he get back out of the car and walk in, and you were going to drive off?
She started talking about people. Nobody cared about people. I don't know what she was talking about.
So why
She
were
came
you
back
trying to
outside.
drive off?
I never drove. You see the car was crooked when you pulled in, correct?
Yeah, but you pulled all the way out here.
Like I said, we were just right here. You see it's slanted. You have to pull out here. Literally.
No, I understand. Why were you pulling off when he was walking back into the Wendy's if you guys are together?
I wouldn't pull. We literally just parked it, right? So I'm crooked. I just pulled from this position to this position.
So
right?
but wouldn't you come straight? Why'd you curve around to leave? I mean, one would
There's
perceive
another
that you
car
were
right
leaving.
there.
Okay.
It just made sense. Or at least to me.
It really doesn't.
If I'm right here and I'm coming from the drive-thru, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you'll
I'll pull
park
out
there.
here,
But that's
I'll
not what we're
pull
talking
you,
about. Because you were in that
I'll
spot
pull
when
in.
I pulled up.
I wasn't parked. The car was still on.
Okay, that's fine. You were in that spot though.
But I wasn't fully in the spot.
And then you pulled all the way out over to here because we had to move your car back there.
Yeah, because I seen y'all were pulling in, doing too much, and then I just literally, I didn't go nowhere. Literally, did not go. You can't. Don't do that. Yeah.
Don't do what?
I did not go nowhere.
Well, you tried to.
Hello.
This is Mariah. This is who he thought I was.
Okay.
I don't know. Hey, can I see his face? Just a little. I'm trying to see who was asking for me.
Give us a second. You came to talk to this your sister?
Yeah, he
just-
thought I was third.
Just hang out here for a minute. We'll get it figured out.
Go see if they got the video.
All right. Is McDonald anywhere around?
I know his face.
You're gonna hang out here for a minute?
Yeah, I'll hang out here.
I'm playing. I'm not playing. I need a restraining order. Where can I go get one of them at?
Like some girl.
I really need one for real. If he came up here and thought she was me and pulled a gun out on her and tried to shoot her up here, I can only imagine if I was behind this counter and he really seen me and was about to shoot the shit out of me.
Yeah.
I don't know who he is. Like, I've seen his face before, but like, I don't know him. I don't know his name. I don't know why he got beef with my sister. That has nothing to do with me. That's the thing, though. He literally told me. He brown skin. Yeah, he brown skin, kind of chubby. He got a beard like this. But I'm saying though, like, he was literally parked right here up to the curb. Mind you, when I opened this door, I didn't come out here on my bullshit. I said, I'm not Mariah. I don't know what's. I'm like, I'm not Mariah. I swear to God, I'm not Mariah. He waving the gun around like if you walk up to the, I'm gonna shoot you. Not even trying to listen though. I'm trying to figure out what is wrong.
Where was he with the gun? Inside the car? Or was he inside the restaurant?
Inside the car with the gun, and then when he see me get on the phone, I didn't even call y'all. That's the thing. I was on the phone with her.
Yeah.
So I seen y'all pull in. I'm like, dang, somebody else must have called the police, but it was a lady behind me hearing him say, I'm gonna shoot you if you walk on this car. So she probably did call, but I never called y'all. I was on the phone with my sister, trying to figure out who he was.
So what was he saying to you through the window?
He came through the. Yeah, she did. It's probably a rental, but no, they came through the drive-through and they was like, we being rushed. Da 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 da. Then he was like, da da da, you some smart mouth ass bitches. So then this is Wendy's Farmers Market in Akron at that. So we like. We was cussing at him. We was like, who the fuck are you talking to? Like, you could go somewhere else to order. Our GM, our general manager even told him that. Like, he came to the store, like, this is your total. You gonna pay. He pulled off. He pulled up right here to the door. Came inside. I'll beat your ass. Da-da-da-da-da. Call some niggas. Fuck y'all. We can wait. We can do this. It's whatever. Da-da-da-da. Talking all that hard shit. Like, to females, though. It's all
Real
females.
quick, where do you think that you were your sister?
In there, he came in there. He was like, he came up to the counter. He was arguing. Everybody behind the counter ignoring him. He's still going like, I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass. So now you getting to me because you're not about to put your hands on me. You're a grown ass man. Do you see how little I am compared to you? You're big as fuck.
Yeah.
So he like, I'm like, who are you talking to? He was like, yeah, bitch, I know you. You Mariah. I'm like, I'm not Mariah. He was like, yes, you is, bitch. You Mariah. I'm like, Mariah's my sister. So like, what? So then my manager told me to go in the back. He get off the car, walk in the establishment, and he see y'all pull up. And then she grabbed the gun, she put it up to her face, like, call who? So then I just leave the door closed and I walk back here.
grabbed the gun and up to her face?
Yes, and said, call who, call who. Like, she took off his lap when I came inside. She see me on the phone. I took the camera, only because I was trying to ask my sister if she knew him.
She was on the passenger side.
She was in the passenger side when she did that. He didn't get out the car and walk inside until he seen whoever police car pulled up first. When he seen y'all, he stopped the car right there, got out, started walking inside. She hopped in the driver's seat, and then she tried to pull off. That's why I told y'all, like, no. She the one that just had the gun in her hand.
Okay, so what do you want to see?
She literally just told me she was gonna shoot me.
Listen.
He told me he was gonna shoot me. So what can I do, honestly?
Well, are you willing to go down and sign
Yeah.
charges? I'll bust this
On
kid
her
out.
too, though, because
The-
she put the gun up to her face.
The
talking
issue
about,
is-
hello.
The
like,
problem is we had more people for him. At this point, we don't have. If you guys pull the video and we can see it on the video, we can come back at a later time.
Okay.
All right.
She's on the phone right now. She got the video. She's watching it right now.
Gonna start this.
All right.
He's got one out of Cuyahoga Falls, so you're checking.
Listen, I want to
Just send him to the county.
I want to restrain
She's got a file.
Cool, why can't I talk for it? He
Yeah,
thought
you-
he was
yeah,
coming
you-
here and shoot
okay.
her because he thought it was
Listen,
me.
then you got to go down and file for it.
We don't even know his name.
At all. We
Yep.
don't know nothing.
I don't know.
Yeah, and we'll give you a copy of the incident
Can she-
report number, and you'll be able to pull it.
Like, did she see his face, though?
We're not gonna do all that.
No, we're not. Nobody's trying to yell. She literally just wants to see who it is so she could do that. Just don't say nothing. You know,
That's on you, sir. Huh? Okay. Yeah, sure. Go on in. Okay. You're gonna be arrested. Okay, and you're gonna go to the county. All right. And you have a warrant out of Cuyahoga Falls. Okay, so either way, you weren't gonna leave today. No, I'm just letting you know you have a warrant. Either way, you weren't gonna be able to leave because Cuyahoga Falls is probably gonna want you on the warrant. But because we're sending you to the county, you're just gonna go to the county and deal with it. Aggravated menacing. With the gun. Okay. It's a misdemeanor of the first degree. And we're taking the gun. Okay. Well, we have to.
You know what I'm saying? So I thought with them releasing me, I'm thinking.
When you got pulled over,
Yeah.
did they tell you about your warrant in Toledo?
They didn't tell me where he was at. They just said I had a warrant out of Ohio.
So you knew you had a warrant in the state of Ohio? Somewhere in the state of Ohio?
Somewhere, I thought it was misdemeanor traffic shit, but I don't got a license.
Okay, but you knew of it and you just didn't turn yourself in. You didn't look
Oh,
up
no,
to it.
it went like that. I thought it was just traffic shit.
We might have weapons on you. Fugitive from justice. He knew he had one of these. 26.
Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.21 defines aggravated menacing as knowingly causing another to believe the offender will cause serious physical harm. Ohio law classifies aggravated menacing as an offense of violence. Section 2935.03 allowed warrantless arrest when officers had reasonable grounds and reasonable cause. Witness accounts may support that basis, but final records are missing. Officers strengthened the investigation by separating witnesses and seeking video, rather than treating allegations as proven. The concern was the claim that the driver was responsible for everything in the car. Two practical lessons follow. Vehicle control can be evidence without automatic liability, and a person in custodial questioning may invoke silence or counsel. Disputed vehicle movement may affect safety judgments, but does not itself prove guilt. The footage ends with an arrest announcement, a warrant reference, and an aggravated menacing allegation. The transcript does not establish a conviction, final filed charges, or a court outcome. The legal takeaway is narrower. Witness reports and vehicle control can justify investigation, but criminal responsibility still depends on individualized facts, knowledge, and the statute that applies. That distinction protects both public safety and due process.